Hello, and today we are going to be unboxing the world's smallest RC car made from Turbo Racing. It is a 1/76 scale of a Mini Cooper. And yeah, so it's got stripes. The lights work. Yeah, so full size, that's my hand. This is my biggest RC car. And this is the normal size of any of my RC cars. Pretty small. Shells. It comes with shells. They're two different shells of old and newer Mini Coopers. So let's drive it. Yeah, driving. Yeah, so this is the Mini RC car. As you can see, it has lights. And it's also got suspension, so let's see how it drives. Normally it does turn better. I don't know why it's not turning very well. I'll see the lights doing what they do. And yeah. Very, very small. And yeah. That is the car. Dark. Completely in darkness. Meow. And so that is the Mini. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I might see you in the next one. Bye. Whoa, no way. Whoa, is that the control? What is happening? What is happening? Huh? Good job.